In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit a post in Sprout Social, a process that should take about 5 minutes. Sprout Social is a powerful social media management tool used by many to schedule posts, track engagement, and analyze social media performance. Editing posts within Sprout Social is a straightforward process, and I'll be guiding you through each step so that even if you're new to the platform, you'll find it completely manageable. First, you'll want to open your preferred internet browser. It could be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any browser you usually work with. Double-check that your internet connection is stable to ensure a smooth experience as we navigate through these steps. Next, head over to your search engine, Google, Bing, or whatever you prefer, and type in Sprout Social. This search should lead you directly to the official website, typically appearing as one of the top results. Once you've landed on the Sprout Social homepage, you'll have the option to sign in if you're an existing user or sign up if you're new to the platform. Assuming you're already a user, go ahead and click Sign In and enter your credentials to access your account. With your dashboard now open, direct your attention to the top menu. Locate and click on the Publishing tab. Here, you'll find a comprehensive view of your publishing calendar and the Sprout queue, where all your scheduled posts are lined up. Look for the specific post you need to edit. It might help to use the search or filter functions if you're managing a large number of posts. Once you've identified the post that requires editing, move your cursor toward the right side of that post's entry. You'll see 3 vertical dots. This icon represents More Options. Go ahead and click on this icon and a small drop-down menu should appear. From this drop-down list, you'll select Edit Post. This selection will open up the edit interface where you can make the necessary changes to your content. Whether you need to tweak the wording of the post, adjust the images, change the scheduled date and time, or modify settings like tags and links, this is your opportunity to do so. After you've made all the desired edits, don't forget the crucial last step. Click the Save button. This action will ensure that all your changes are applied and the post updates accordingly in the publishing calendar. It's always a good practice to review the post one last time after saving just to confirm everything appears as intended. That's all there is to it. Editing a post in Sprout Social is indeed a quick process. With practice, it will become second nature, allowing you to efficiently manage your social media presence. Thank you for joining me today, and happy editing.